Hello everybody, my name is BigPot and today we're going to be doing another video on Manjaro Architect Edition. This one will be about CLI install. So let's begin, shall we? So we're back. So if you want to see the preparation part of it, you should check out the previous video in the series, which will be linked down below and in the card up the side. But let's go with our topic today, the install CLI system. So CLI system is a bit more specific. So here you can install base system without graphical desktop. So let's go with step one, the required step, install base packages. In many cases, this one will seem very familiar. It's this. So we're gonna do yay. But here we have a less options. Just Linux 5.4 for some reason. It's okay. It's LTS. Same kernel options like VirtualBox stuff and so on. Just press enter. We don't need those for this system, but you might want to enable some, and installation will take a while. Be back when it's done. Now the installation complete. Let's go and install the bootloader, the bootloader. Okay. Of course, we're gonna select grab, but we can use refind, ref, EFIND, or system boot. But because I'm me and I normally use grab, I'm gonna install EFI grab. On the other hand, the example systemd boot isn't actually good for dual booting because it is somewhat not weird but something strangely set. So okay, actually no, it's made to be single boot only. So yeah, we're waiting for grab to do its configuration and then we can continue. Let's be back when it's done. So we're here. Now we're gonna set it as default because it is the only one. If we had more, we have to think if we want it to be default or not. Of course, we should have focus on the VM. Now we're gonna configure the base. So first is device UID. Of course, have a step. So we have to use UIDs, which is, or not have to, but we should use UIDs. It's probably the most recommended of them all. And because names can change, labels can sometimes change, but UIDs stay the same. We need to set hostname. Manjaro is okay. You can choose whatever you want. It can be anything anything smaller than 63 characters. Can have any alphanumeric characters and an or hyphen. As a system locale, of course, NUS will be fine. Sorry, this is time and date formats, which is US is okay. That clock will be Europe, Ljubljana as always. Yes. We can select UTC. Now I have to select your root password. I don't recommend 4-character passwords, but okay. Let's select this bash for this one. And go back. Now, next one is custom packages. You can install any custom packages like this. So let's install, I don't know, htop. Tap to select and enter to continue. It will install htop. Now there are additional system tweaks like enable automatic login, hibernation performance tweaks like IO schedulers, swap configuration, preloading, and you can select security where you can amend journal delogging, disable core dump, restrict access to kernel logs. Now we can go back, and here we are. Here we can do stuff like now last would be reviewing configuration files or rooting and install. So there's different config files we can review. Vconsole, or you can choose into the installation itself. But so now let's finish it up. We press done, close installer. Of course, we copy it to MNT, so we have a log file for this installation, and now we reboot. And we're gonna wait for the reboot, and because first time it will still detect that I have, as you see, it will still detect that I have an ISO. Let me fix that. Now, as you see, we're booting. It will first boots always take a bit longer. That's on all Linux system, not just on Manjaro Architect or Manjaro. So you see it's UEFI based as always with me, and it's already doing next stuff. And here we are. This is CLI. What can I say? There's not much I can talk about. Let's open HTOP. We installed it, as we see. There isn't much running, so this is a clean system as you get. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget, use whatever tool best suits the job you're trying to do. Goodbye.